Hi YouTubers, today we're gonna be installing this 10-inch Android head unit to this 2006 Pontiac Torrent. It's very easy, man. We have all these wiring harnesses here. Can take a look. Have this wiring harness here. You have the USB here. Then you have this 16-pin wiring harness. We're gonna wire all this, then we'll see how it goes. All right. So we're gonna have this stereo sitting just here. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. I see it's gonna be sitting right here. I guess the guy driving this car will just be enjoying, huh? Oh, so cool. Damn. So the way we're gonna make this head unit stick here, we're just gonna be using the brackets, and we have these brackets here. I just made these brackets. So this how you do it. We just drill here some hole, just drill some hole here, use the screws. The screws just came from here. You can see where the screws came from. We can just reuse these screws that came from here. Just, yeah, let's see how it goes. Very simple, man. Save your money. Don't go to the mechanic. Do these things yourself. Save some money. So we're gonna try and see if it fits. Yeah, it's gonna fit. Let's hope it fits. Just reconnect the paint back to the place. Yeah. Connect the radio, then connect the harness, and let's hope everything works. Wow, the joy. That's good. Let's see if the lights works. Connect radio here.